Alright guys, this is going to be our first real test run of this race mower. As you can see in here, that right there is a transmission out of a four-wheeler. It's an 8586 LT250R to be exact. We got a Kohler engine. It's got very nice loud exhaust on it. The hood's off right now. We got a Kian 35mm carb on it now. 34, my bad. 34 on it. 35 is actually on the Banshee, but she's ready to go. Only the safest way of connecting things around here. So we're gonna get her to, oh yeah, check gasoline in it. Oh boy, that means we gotta siphon out of something. But she's looking quite mint. So now it is time to give her a nice little startup once he throws some gas in it.
Your old gas in it. This is 50 to 1.
It'll be fine. Two-stroke gas just lubricates the engine a little more.
Yeah.
Don't you love these cans? Oh wait.
Oh.
There it is. That's better.
There we go.
I say it didn't look like an old can.
Okay.
All right, let us do the startup now.
How many feet before it breaks?
Ooh,
let me make. Hold on. I gotta make sure I put the cotter pin in the chain on the half link. Oh yeah, she's in there. Okay.
Okay, now we're good.
I'm good. Yeah.
Start her up. Get that rev limiter set on that thing. Quite early. He doesn't want to grenade it, obviously. Makes sense. So now he's gonna come back, see what happens. Didn't break yet. Miss shift, cool. I'd say that was pretty successful considering that was really its first rip. The first one we tried, it made 20 feet. How'd it feel, kid? That was a good noise. There you go, that's the way to kill it. All right, general consensus.
Oh, yeah.
What happened?
Nah, it's all loose again.
Loosey-goosey. What if you put that tensioner back in?
I could. It's a lot of work.
Did the axle shifts back a little bit or no?
Oh, it might have. No, yeah, this side did. Yeah,
Yeah,
not
that
fully, but a little bit.
Just okay.
I don't feel like fixing it. I mean, she's kind of there.
That's funny. That's cool.
Doesn't wanna. I money shifted.
Yeah, you did.
Down. I went right to first. I couldn't. I forgot what way it went.
Forward.
You pull. No, you pull back to upshift. it's reversed from what it should be. Right.
No.
Oh no, you push. Oh yeah, no, it is reversed. You push to
You pull back to upshift?
No, you pull back to downshift.
Okay, push forward to upshift.
Yeah.
That's what I thought.
Oh, the shift ain't much hooked up to that's all worn out.
Yeah.
We'll get there. Oh, wait, that's a neutral now? Oh,
I guess
no,
so.
it's not.
No, it's not.
There's a lot of play in the driveline.
Yeah. It's fine. Alright, so that was the first real video of this thing. Subscribe for more because this kid's coming out with another video of maybe some first point of view footage, but this is a little teaser video of the race mower. So subscribe and have a good one.
Right there.
They don't care.
How's it going? Acting like you can't hear that. Yeah, keep going.
Uh-oh. 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 Alright, so it didn't make it? Mint! Alright, well, he broke.